Good morning. I am Dr. Shakes with your Eswatini Daily News headlines for Monday, and these are your news. The Ministry of Health launches a major recruitment to fill 408 vacancies. This recruitment drive, which is a core component of the government's broader health sector reform agenda, targets filling 408 critical vacancies in a concerted effort to enhance service delivery and build resilient workforce. In other news, joy and gratitude filled Pondo community as Prince Lindani and MP Dube give back. The atmosphere was filled with song, dance, and appreciation as the community expressed heartfelt thanks for being remembered and supported. In other news, over 2.2 million Emalangeni worth of daga has been confiscated by the army on the borderline within a year. This is a reflection on the Army's significant progress in its efforts to curb cross-border drug trafficking. This is according to the Ministry of Defense and National Security's second quarterly performance report. In entertainment news, the Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture has proudly revealed the top 12 finalists for the Miss Cultural Heritage Eswatini 2025-2026 edition in a grand ceremony held at Mountain View Hotel in Babane. In sports news, the country's reigning league champions, Nsingizini Hotspurs, got a baptism of fire in the first leg of the second preliminary round when they were thrashed 3-0 by top Tanzanian side Simba SC at Somhloro National Stadium. For more on this and other news, go to our website www.eswatinidailynews.com, and also remember to check us out on Press Reader for free. Have a good day.